Hey folks, welcome back to Dragonfly Projects. Glad to have you back. Hope you're having a great day. Today I am very excited to bring this video to you guys because it is something that I hold very close to my heart. It is apple jelly. This will be the fourth year I'm making it, but the first time I'm making it with my own apples, which made it all the more special. I have a soft spot for apple jelly because it is easily the most cherished memory I have of my grandma, where as a kid on the weekend I'd get up, eat a ton of apple jelly, go watch cartoons downstairs, and then have tummy aches for the next 2 hours because of all the sugar I ingested that morning. But it's a memory I really cherish, and I'm really happy to bring this to you guys. It's such a simple thing to make. You just need 3 ingredients: apples, sugar, and water. That's it. You don't need to add any pectin. There is already a ton in these apples. You just have to boil them to release it and then go through the process of making the apple jelly. So stick around and let's get to the cooking. I didn't get a chance to spray the apples this year, and unfortunately bugs are making their way inside. Hopefully I can get to this next year so it doesn't happen. It's okay though, the deer will still eat it. I'm actually competing against the deer to get my apples. Alright, let's go turn this into apple jelly. I think they're Macintosh, I'm not sure. They're on the smaller side and they're very sour to the taste. Maybe it's because they're not fully ready and ripe, but if it is a Macintosh like I think it is, that's just pretty much as sweet as it's gonna get. There's another kind of tree. So there's another type of apple tree behind the big one here. Behind that big one, but the deer already got to it and there's no more apples left, unfortunately. Those apples are also ready a little bit earlier than these ones. I should have plenty high enough though that the deer probably won't get a chance to get to it, so I'll be able to make a second batch. To the kitchen. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you get to try this with your kids or at home by yourself, or get to share it with friends and family. This is a delicious recipe. It tastes great. It preserves well. There's a high amount of sugar in here, so it lasts at least for 6 months. Shelf life, probably more, but usually I eat it all before it's all gone. That whole batch of apples made around 5 liters. This is a 1 liter jar of apple jelly. I'm gonna share it with friends and family for sure. I cannot wait to share this new tradition I'm starting. I'm making it every year with my daughter. It's such a special and cherished memory for myself that I can't wait to share it with her and get to enjoy those moments with my kid and future kids, hopefully. As you can see, the only method I had of controlling the bugs this year was just this like sticky piece of paper that caught some flies. I do want to maybe spray a bit next year for bugs, because there's not a single apple that went by without any type of mark on it. Most of them were okay. Some of them were pretty rotten or eaten through and through. I'm also competing against the deers, as you can see. These are all live branches, but the deer just went through them and ate everything, leaves and fruit. But hopefully everything that's a little higher than myself will still be good to try and make some applesauce or another batch of apple jelly. Again, thanks for watching. If you appreciate the video, like, comment, subscribe. It helps me out a ton. If you have any comments, suggestions, leave them down below. I try to get to every comment and I try to reply to everybody as much as I can. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.